warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Syahrizati binti Muhammad Hassan Shif. So today I want to talk about how I spend my weekend, how I spend my time in University Sultan Azlan Shah. So first of all, as a student like me, of course, I will spend my time to complete my assignment, my exercise, oral presentation, group assignment, group presentation, and everything. So, but the weekend is also a time for us to rest our mind after tired studying and thinking for 5 days, of course, from Monday until Friday. So for example, my weekend on Friday and Saturday evening needs to be complete so that my night and Sunday I can relax and I can watch a movie with my friend without thinking about my assignment, my exercise, my group presentation, and everything. So that needs to be complete. So my weekend are also often full of time to catch up to complete assignment, especially group presentation. Of course, it take patience to wait for other friends to complete and prepare for our presentation. It's so hard for me, but weekend is a long await day for student because there are no classes. So as a student, I hope you not just fun with your friend. Of course, you as a student, you should to be a good student and complete your assignment, your exercise. So that's all for me. Thank you.